Easy Peel stickers, guys.
Hi friends, I am working on a project today and I'm very excited to share it with you. This is a poem by Emily Dickinson. It's called Hope is the Thing with Feathers. I printed this out on 5x7 greeting cards and I have these gorgeous envelopes.
I've gotten this lovely book, Bright Wings, an illustrated anthology of poems about birds, edited by Billy Collins and with paintings by David Allen Sibley. And each guest is going to get a page from this book inside their greeting card.
I did my usual trick of cutting out the binding, and then I used my paper trimmer to get a nice sharp edge.
I printed these on labels on my laser printer. However, because they're not stickers, we have an issue where they're very hard to peel off the corners.
So you'll see it's easy to peel when you have this, but forget it. I just can't do this. I'll be sitting here for half an hour trying to get that peeled apart, and I certainly can't do that for all of these stickers. So here's my trick.
All we need is an edge to peel, so you can use a paper trimmer or scissors to slice down the middle of where the sticker will be. And that's going to make it so that you have an easy peel surface. Voila!
We've got some more cutting to do. I'll show you how I kind of streamline this a little bit. I get them lined up with each other, and I get 4 done in one cut.
Ralph, can you help me with something?
Sure, I'd love to.
Can you please peel that sticker for me?
I'm not good at this. No, I can't.
Do you need your glasses?
Maybe. It's not working. I can't do it.
Okay. Can you try this one instead?
I don't even need my glasses for this one. Simple.
Woohoo! Show us the sticker.
It's a cowboy.
Stick it on my hand. Thanks, baby. I love you.
Me too.
I'm absolutely thrilled with how these turned out.
Subscribe for more disabled crafts.